But before we jump in, here's a quick preview of the AI talking avatar we'll be creating. Stick around till the end, because this video is packed with value. Hello and welcome. Are you ready to create your very own realistic AI talking avatar? In today's video, I'm going to walk you through every single step of the process, from start to finish, in full detail. The best part? You can do everything straight from your phone. No laptop or PC required. Let me break down what this video covers. It's structured into 4 easy parts. AI character image generation with prompts enhancing image quality for realistic results. Converting the image into video with head movement syncing. AI voice to your avatar for perfect lip sync. No one has covered this topic in such depth before. That's why I made this comprehensive video so you get everything in one place. So don't miss a single step, or you might end up confused. And we don't want that. Step 1. Generate the AI character image. To create a character like this, you'll first need a prompt. That's the magic formula for generating your image. Here's the prompt. You can screenshot it and use Google Lens to copy it, or just grab it from my Telegram channel. The link's in the description. I regularly share free tools and resources there, so make sure to join the channel to level up your content creation game. Now that you've got your prompt, let's generate your character image. We'll be using a free website that lets you create unlimited AI images. No fees at all. The tool is called Leonardo AI. Let's hop onto my laptop. But don't worry, this works on mobile too. Open your browser and search Leonardo AI. Click on the first link. The interface is super simple. Sign up and continue with Google. Click Create. Paste your prompt, edit the name section with your own YouTube or channel name. Set the image ratio to 16:9 for YouTube. Tap the layer icon and generate 4 images at once. Wait a few seconds. Boom. You now have 2 realistic, high-quality AI images. Want to change clothing colors or styles? Just tweak the prompt. For example, change black to blue or any color you want. Step 2. Increase image quality. Now let's enhance the quality of your image to make it even more realistic. We'll use a tool called AI Ease. It's free and powerful. Open your browser and search AI Ease. Open the first website. Scroll down and click on Image Upscaler. Upload your AI image. Wait for it to process. Slide to compare before and after. Download the upscaled version. Crisp and ready to animate. Step 3. Convert image into video with head movements. Now it's time to bring your image to life, literally. We'll be using pixverse AI, a paid tool, but don't worry, they give free credits that are enough to create your video. Go to pixverse AI in your browser. Sign up using a new Gmail account. Click Generate Video. Upload the upscaled image. Paste the movement description, provided in my Telegram channel, the link in the description below. Tap Turbo and wait. And just like that, your avatar is moving. Pro tip: all the tools I mention are accessible via mobile too. I'm just using a laptop for better explanation. Step 4. Add voice plus perfect lip sync. You've got the animated avatar. Now let's give it a voice. We'll use an excellent tool called Dreamface, available on Play Store as application also. But in this video, we will use the web version for better explanation. Open Dreamface, subscribe if needed. Tap the avatar option and upload your animated video. Tap Add Script. You can type or paste your script, or upload a pre-recorded audio. You can even record your own voice here. Add background music if needed. Now, choose a voice. Male, female, child, even popular 11 Labs voices. In my opinion, I prefer this option. You can even clone your own voice in the My Voice section. Let me know in the comments if you want a video for more details on this. Tap Confirm, then tap Animate, and let it process. After a few minutes, voila, your full video is ready. Now, click here to download your video. You've now learned how to create a full AI avatar video from scratch, A to Z. Now, some Dreamface features require a premium subscription. I've already subscribed. If you can't afford it yet, just let me know in the description below. I'll be giving out some free coupon codes to help you get started. Also, I invite you to join my Telegram channel. I regularly drop new tools, materials, and exclusive resources there. If you face any issues or didn't understand a step, feel free to drop a comment, and I'll reply personally. Let me know what video you want next, and I'll make it happen.